How to add stickers to your video on CapCut app. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to CapCut. As you can see right here, this is the home page. Now you can upload a new video from here or just choose from your drafts. For example, I already have this video. Now all what you have to do is simple. Go down here and click on the settings option and click on stickers. Now right here, as you can see, we'll find many stickers and templates. For example, let's just add, for example, this one, and now you can manage it like this. You can edit it very easily and fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.